Hello traders, welcome to the channel. Today we will discuss about Nifty and Bank Nifty positions. We will also look at few stocks based on price action for swing trading. If you like the analysis and the strategy, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. So let's begin with Nifty. Now when you look at Nifty, it's following a basic trend line which you can draw in a one-day time pattern. You can look here that Nifty has taken support around this level and it is regularly taking support along this trend line. Now when you see that Nifty has broken this level and this black line is the 200-day moving average, which is acting as a very good support for the Nifty. Now again, when Nifty is above this level, it has faced resistance twice, forming a double top pattern, which indicates that Nifty was going to come down, and it is once again trending on the same trend line, and it's facing a very good resistance at this level. Now when you look over here, after following 4 to 5 red candles, it has taken a good support over this candle. Now what we can expect from Nifty is to follow this path. Either come here, take support and go up, or it can either come here, break this support, have a retrace and then fall. A similar pattern is being observed in Bank Nifty. You can clearly look that Bank Nifty was facing resistance over this level. Now once it has broken this level, now that line has become a very good support line. Since Bank Nifty is the main reason why Nifty is coming down, now we can really observe that a good support comes over here, and if Bank Nifty can bear this support level, you can really expect a good up move. Now let's discuss about some stocks that I have selected for you. Today the Nifty fell almost 250 points, but you can still see that Cipla was doing well. This is because of this trend line. You can clearly look that it was facing resistance on this trend line, and it had come down below the 200-day moving average, and once it has gone up, it has really broken this resistance and gave a good up move. Now after that breakout, it has followed the support on this same trend line. Now you can look here that it was a formation of the double top pattern, which is eventually that the stock is going to come down. So now we can consider a swing trade of Cipla. The risk reward ratio are like this. This one goes to the above trend line, which is around 12.5%, and now the stop loss would be at this level, somewhere around 3%. We can also look here that the RSI is still at the level of 50, and the main advantage that comes by picking up these stocks is that even if government announces a lockdown, the medical sector was doing good even when the coronavirus pandemic had hit us. So it is rarely expected that the pharmaceutical companies will come down. So this is a very good trade to pick at this level. Now the second stock we are going to look at is ACC Cement. Now when you look at the trend line in one day time frame, ACC has a very good support on this trend line. It was facing rejection on this trend line, which you can draw over here, on here. Now when you look at this channel, when the channel was broken, it gave a very good up move in this pattern. Now it's once again consolidating in this area. Now the reason to pick ACC is in this largest time frame. Here when you look at its all-time high in the year of 2018, it's currently at this level. Now when you look at the day's chart, it had broken this level with a very good volume considered with the previous days, and now it's coming for a retrace. Now the RSI is at 63, so you can expect ACC to come down to this level, retrace this path, take once again support, move up in this direction. In this case, the risk reward ratio is like this. The targets would be up to 10% from this level. Always remember that only after formation of one green candle you can take your entry. Look over here, always after one green candle you can take your entry. So that indicates that the stock is following the trend line. Even if our entry is at this level, a stop loss would be over here below this trend line. So that is a very good risk reward ratio of 3.72. The next stock we are going to look at is the IT giant Infosys. Now when you look at the 1 hour time frame, Infosys was facing a resistance on this trend line. It was a very good trend line and a very good break from the trend line. This triangle pattern, when it was broken, it tested its recent high, which is of this level 1392. It also broke this level and went ahead. Here we can see that Infosys took support on the 200-day moving average and it is going in a up move. The only reason to pick this stock even in the market fall is because of the IT giant results of Accenture from the US markets. Here you can clearly see that Accenture has reported a revenue of 11.8 billion in the first quarter with an increase of 4%. Because of the optimistic results about the IT companies, even the Indian IT companies started to move upward. This indicates that Infosys is going to take a good support on the 200-day moving average and give a good up move. The stocks I am discussing over here are based on my own analysis. I want you to analyze your own stocks and then take your risk and reward. Thank you. I hope you like this video.